Good morning. My name is Hugh McNeal, the CEO of RenewableUK, and I'm delighted to welcome you to Offshore Wind Energy 2017. Thank you for coming. 4 words with added resonance after the tragic events of Saturday evening. Over the next few days, I am sure our thoughts will be with those who lost their lives or were injured. Alongside the rest of the UK, we will hold a minute's silence at the close of this session at 11 a.m. to remember them. My thanks to Giles and the team at Wind Europe for all of our work together, but especially over the last few days, where along with Excel, my fabulous team, I have to say that, but I mean it, and the support of our sponsors, we've ensured that we can deliver this event the city deserves securely and safely. It is my job this morning to welcome you all to London, my home. As I walked the exhibition floor last night, and now looking out at all of you, it is great to see so many people here. And I'm especially proud that we have so many delegations from all over the world. London is a global city, a city that welcomes people who make their homes here, who do business here, who build friendships and socialise here, who debate and argue about key issues, often over a beer or two. Those who attacked our city on Saturday night seek to disrupt that way of life. They won't. Our city is resolute. It is stubborn. It is, and will always be, open. Over the next few days, as those of you from different parts of the world join us in the country that leads the world in offshore wind, we will, in our own very small way, be supporting London, doing business, debating the big issues around our sector, and, yes, enjoying ourselves, socialising together, celebrating the success of our industry as well as debating its future, I suspect also over a beer or two. We have a spectacular programme ahead of us. This has only been made possible by the support of our sponsors, exhibitors and attendees, all of you. But I especially want to mention our event ambassadors, Dong Energy, MHI Vestas Offshore Wind, Scottish Power Renewables and Siemens Gamesa Renewable Energy, who have provided so much help and leadership to developing this event and ensuring its success. Thank you. I look forward to hearing from all of you later on this morning. We've had further support from many other organisations, and I can't name them all, but I just do want to mention a few. Energy, the Green Investment Bank, A2C. I want to also thank JDR Cable, sponsor of the Gala Dinner Cruise tomorrow night, as well as our country partner, the Department for International Trade. I want now just to say a few words about our sector, its history, its present, and its future. It is a very significant moment. I have been lucky enough to be involved with offshore wind for the best part of a decade. Never have I been as excited or as optimistic about what we can achieve as I am now. Excited because what we are seeing in cost reduction is simply incredible. The sort of change, double the size, half the price, that you associate with consumer electronics, not multi-billion-pound infrastructure projects. Excited because as I travel around the UK and Europe, I see the wonderful effect your developments are having on communities, bringing jobs and economic activity where it is really needed. Excited because now the rest of the world wants to develop offshore wind. I see those same companies, many of them based here in the UK, starting to win business all over the world. Excited because of the innovation which links offshore wind to digitalisation and storage technologies, ensuring our sector is at the heart of the energy systems of the future. From niche to mainstream, from small scale to an industrial and infrastructure leader, from the UK and Europe to a genuinely global technology being developed in markets all over the world. It is wonderful to witness the transformation of offshore wind over recent years. What about the future? With global expansion comes further opportunity, of course. We will have a new government here in the UK on Friday, and I am personally committed to ensuring that offshore wind is recognised not just as an energy leader, but one of the UK's core industrial strengths, a sector made up of skilled workers delivering both at home and abroad. And as an industrial leader, it is fitting that we do truly lead. Not just lead in creating jobs, in bringing benefits right across the countries we work in, here in the UK, improving people's lives and bringing opportunity from Hartlepool to the Isle of Wight, from Hull to Belfast, but also lead by innovating. Energy systems and markets are changing across the world. I'm delighted we will see and debate that change over the next 3 days. Floating wind, automatic voltage, reactive power controls, software and grid control. How we, our sector, are driving energy system transformation. So, once again, welcome to London and welcome to the UK. We are the global leader for offshore wind. We are incredibly proud of that status, but also very excited about the many countries joining us in this market. I look forward to seeing and hearing from many of you this week, sharing knowledge, working across national boundaries, debating and celebrating our achievements so far and how much more we can offer in the years to come. And now it is a pleasure to hand over to Giles to lead the rest of the opening session. Thank you very much.